7. Cacio e pepe. To prepare the cacio e pepe, you will need ingredients: 250 grams of spaghetti, 100 grams of grated pecorino romano, fresh ground black pepper, fine salt. Preparation: boil the water to cook the spaghetti in a large pot. Add the salt to the water and then dip the spaghetti into it. Cook the spaghetti according to the time indicated on the package. Meanwhile, grate the pecorino romano and set aside. When the spaghetti is cooked al dente, drain it, but keep some of the cooking water. Put the spaghetti in a large pan and add the grated pecorino and freshly ground black pepper. Mix the ingredients well and, if necessary, add a little of the cooking water to obtain the desired consistency. Serve the cacio e pepe hot immediately. Enjoy your meal. Here are some useful tips for preparing cacio e pepe. Use pecorino romano for its strong and intense flavor. Keep in mind that pecorino romano is a hard cheese, so you'll need to grate it before using it. Be sure to use freshly ground black pepper for maximum flavor. Peppercorns can be freshly ground, or you can buy ready-made ground pepper. Don't oversalt the spaghetti while cooking, as pecorino romano is already tasty enough. Mix the ingredients thoroughly, so that the pecorino and pepper are distributed evenly over the spaghetti. If you want a more creamy texture, you can add a little of the spaghetti cooking water when preparing the cacio e pepe. Serve the cacio e pepe hot as soon as it is ready for maximum flavor.